Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to make barbecue chicken recipe in air fryer, which is very simple and delicious starter and oilless starter. Let's get started. Here I have taken 12 pieces of chicken drumstick. I washed thoroughly with turmeric and I slitted it. First, we need to prepare a fine paste with a few spices in it. I have taken one medium size of onion which is roughly chopped, 10 cashew nuts, palm full of mint and coriander leaves. We need to make this as a grind and fine paste, and we can pour this into a marination vessel. Look at the paste, so soft and fine. Now let's add few spices according to your spice levels. First I have added coriander powder, red chilli powder. I have added homemade garam masala, cumin powder, garam masala powder, kasturi methi. Finally, without a touch of barbecue masala, this dish is not complete. So I'm adding barbecue masala. You can pick whatever the brand that you need. Then I'm adding Kashmiri red chili powder, plain yogurt, a little bit of turmeric powder. Finally, let's add salt as per the taste, and we'll mix it with half spoon of cooking oil. Any oil is fine. If you guys are using vegetable oil or peanut oil, anything would be fine. Now let's mix all together to get a smooth consistency in this barbecue batter. We need to dip the chicken into the prepared masala batter so that the chicken is coating the masala very well. So the paste that we prepared should not be very thick nor very thin. So it should stick to all our chicken. Let's refrigerate this for a whole night for better taste. And if you guys are in a hurry, if you cannot do that, then minimum 3 hours should be fine. Today I'm using a Chefman brand air fryer. We need to spray cooking oil before placing the chicken into the racks. Then we can add chicken one by one. I'm setting the temperature to 380 degrees for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we need to turn over the chicken. Still have 6 minutes left. Now let's see how it has. Wow, look at these beautiful barbecue drumstick. So now I am turning this over to a different side. I'm spraying a little bit of oil, then again setting the temperature to the same 380 to 15 minutes. Look at this yummy dry barbecue chicken drumstick. It was so juicy, it was so delicious, so tasty. It was not too spicy though. Please try this recipe. This is very simple and quick recipe, and let me know in the comment section. I hope you all like this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you all soon in our next video.